What if the secret to reversing hidden kidney damage was sitting right on your breakfast table? Imagine discovering that a simple vitamin found in ordinary foods could silently shield your kidneys or even undo years of damage before you ever notice a single symptom. Most people have no idea their kidneys are under attack until it's too late. But today, a stunning new discovery reveals a vitamin that could tip the balance and transform your health before silent destruction turns deadly. Are you ready to find out what it is and how it could change your life forever? Let me know in the comments where in the world are you watching from. Drop your city or country below and let's see how far our kidney health community reaches. Imagine waking up every morning, feeling healthy, never suspecting your kidneys are quietly struggling beneath the surface. Most people don't realize that these fist-sized organs, buried deep in our lower back, are working overtime every day to filter our blood, balance our fluids, and keep us alive. But what if a hidden sign was signaling that trouble had already begun? It's called proteinuria condition, where valuable proteins meant to stay in your bloodstream start leaking into your urine. No pain, no warning, just a subtle shift that could mean your kidneys are slowly failing. Here's the scary part. Proteinuria rarely announces itself. There's no dramatic pain, no obvious symptoms, nothing that shouts for attention. That's what makes it so dangerous. Most people find out by accident during a routine checkup or after another health scare. By then, the damage could already be underway. Why does this matter? Because your kidneys are gatekeepers, protecting you from toxins and waste. When they break down, so does your health. Left unchecked, proteinuria can spiral into chronic kidney disease or even end-stage renal failure conditions that can steal your freedom, your energy, and your life. Even more alarming, proteinuria often ties back to common issues like diabetes and high blood pressure, setting off a chain reaction that affects your entire body. Silent, invisible, and deadly. That's the true danger. But what if you could fight back? Not with an expensive drug or risky procedure, but with something as simple as a vitamin. Today, scientists are uncovering stunning evidence that a widely available nutrient tone you can find in the grocery store or in a ray of sunlight might hold the key to stopping proteinuria in its tracks. Could a daily habit really repair your kidneys and change the course of your health? The answer is closer than you think. To understand why this discovery is so powerful, you first need to know what's happening inside your body. Your kidneys are master filters, each packed with millions of microscopic units called nephrons. Every minute, they screen your blood-sorting waste from what your body needs, holding on to proteins and nutrients and flushing out toxins. When they're healthy, they work in silence, never asking for thanks. But when kidneys are stressed, their filters start to falter. That's when proteins, like albumin, which should be kept safely in your blood, begin slipping through the cracks and spilling into your urine. It's a red flag, a sign that your kidneys are under siege. What's worse, this leak doesn't just signal existing damage, it can actually trigger further harm, turning a small problem into a health crisis if left ignored. The causes are everywhere in modern life. Poorly managed diabetes quietly eats away at kidney filters. High blood pressure relentlessly pounds against delicate tissues, breaking down defenses over the years. Sometimes, inflammation from diseases like glomerulonephritis strikes with little warning, attacking the very structures that keep your blood clean. All of these can lead to proteinuria, and all can escalate quickly if you don't catch the warning signs. But here's the cruel twist. Most people with proteinuria feel completely normal until things get worse. The only clues might be foamy urine or swelling in the hands, feet, or face. By the time symptoms appear, your kidneys may have already lost a chunk of their filtering power. That's why early detection and action are critical. The longer proteinuria goes untreated, the higher your risk of sliding into chronic kidney disease, dialysis, or the desperate need for a transplant. And yet, hope exists in the form of a vitamin that's been hiding in plain sight. In a world obsessed with high-tech medicine, it's almost unbelievable that something as simple as a vitamin could stand between you and kidney failure. Yet that's exactly what new research is revealing. Scientists have discovered that vitamin dyes, the very same sunshine vitamin your body makes when light hits your skin, may have the power to repair the kidney's delicate filtration system and even reverse the damage caused by proteinuria. Vitamin D does more than help build strong bones. Deep within your body, it acts as a master regulator, calming inflammation, taming out-of-control blood pressure, and strengthening the microscopic filters inside your kidneys. Its greatest power? Quietly turning down the volume on the very systems that push your kidneys toward breakdown, like the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, which, when overactive, drives up blood pressure and accelerates kidney damage. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin D fights inflammation, a silent enemy that can scar and stiffen kidney tissues until they lose their vital function. It even helps block the process of fibrosis, slow transformation of healthy kidney tissue into useless scar. All this from a nutrient you can get from a walk in the sun, a plate of salmon, or even a glass of fortified milk. This is more than theory. Clinical studies have shown that people with kidney disease who received vitamin D supplements saw real drops in the amount of protein leaking into their urine. For some, it was enough to slow or even stop the downward spiral of kidney failure. So how can you make this power work for you? It starts with understanding where to find vitamin D, how much you need, and why the right amount could be life-changing. Vitamin D isn't some exotic, expensive treatment reserved for the lucky few. It's all around you if you know where to look. The most natural source is sunlight. When your skin soaks in those rays, your body goes to work producing its own supply. But in today's world, where we spend hours indoors or shielded by sunscreen, many of us don't get nearly enough. Fortunately, vitamin D is also found in foods you may already enjoy. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with it. Cod liver oil is another powerhouse, delivering more than your daily need in a single spoonful. Egg yolks, cheese, and fortified foods like milk, orange juice, and some cereals can help fill the gap too. Even certain mushrooms, when exposed to sunlight, can provide a boost, though the form they offer isn't quite as potent as what you get from animal sources or supplements. For many people, though, food and sunlight alone aren't enough, especially in winter months, for those with darker skin or anyone living far from the equator. That's where supplements come in. The recommended daily intake for most adults ranges from 600 to 800 IU, but some may need more, especially those with existing health issues or risk factors for deficiency. Always talk to your doctor before starting a new supplement, especially if you have kidney disease, since dosing needs can be unique. Why does all this matter so much? Because maintaining the right level of vitamin D isn't just about healthy bones, it's about supporting your kidneys, calming inflammation, balancing blood pressure, and protecting every cell in your body from silent harm. Getting enough of this nutrient could be the line between quiet decline and vibrant health. But vitamin D's benefits don't stop at the kidneys. Its effects ripple out to almost every corner of your health. It's a powerful modulator of your immune system, helping your body defend against infections and lowering your risk of autoimmune flare-ups. If you've ever wondered why you seem to get sick more often in the winter, low vitamin D could be part of the answer. There's more. Vitamin D is crucial for keeping your bones strong by allowing your body to absorb calcium. Without enough, bones become weak, brittle, and prone to fractures, especially as we age. Low levels have also been linked to higher risks of depression, fatigue, and even certain heart diseases. Some studies even suggest that vitamin D might help regulate mood, reduce inflammation throughout the body, and protect against dangerous blood pressure spikes. For anyone with proteinuria or at risk of kidney problems, these extra benefits matter. Healthy kidneys help balance your fluids, electrolytes, and blood pressure, So anything that protects them, like vitamin D, ends up supporting your heart, bones, immune system, and even your mind. Still, it's not a magic pill. You can't rely on vitamin D alone to protect your kidneys or reverse damage if other factors like high blood pressure, poorly managed diabetes, or a poor diet are still at play. True protection comes from a whole-body approach. So what does that look like? It starts with simple, daily choices. Eat kidney-friendly foods, move your body regularly, keep your blood sugar and blood pressure in check, and don't smoke. Use herbs and spices instead of salt. Stay hydrated, but don't overdo it if your doctor says to limit fluids. A healthy lifestyle doesn't have to mean a complete overhaul overnight. It's about building small, steady changes that, over time, make your kidneys stronger and your body more resilient. Start with your plate. Fresh vegetables like bell peppers, cauliflower, and berries are naturally low in kidney, stressing nutrients, but high in vitamins and antioxidants. Choose lean proteins, like fish or beans, over fatty processed meats. If your doctor says to watch potassium or phosphorus, learn which foods are safest for your situation. Exercise is another pillar of kidney health. It helps control your weight, lowers blood pressure, and boosts your heart, all benefits that ease the burden on your kidneys. You don't need to run marathons. Walking, cycling, or swimming for just 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, can make a huge difference. Consistency is the secret, not intensity. Don't overlook the impact of stress either. Chronic stress isn't just hard on your mind, it raises your blood pressure and can silently harm your organs over time. Try adding a few minutes of meditation, deep breathing, or gentle stretching to your daily routine. The science is clear. Reducing stress really does help your body heal. And if you smoke or drink heavily, now is the time to cut back or quit. Smoking reduces blood flow to your kidneys, speeding up damage. Excess alcohol puts your kidneys under even more strain. Even small reductions can help, and every day you choose healthier habits, you're giving your kidneys a fighting chance. Throughout this journey, one message is clear. Kidney health isn't just about one magic fix, but about the choices you make every single day. By focusing on prevention, catching proteinuria early, managing chronic conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure, and giving your body the right tools like vitamin D, stacking the odds in your favor. Routine checkups matter more than most people realize. A simple urine test can catch protein in your urine long before symptoms show up. If you know you're at risk, whether because of family history, age, or existing health problems, talk to your doctor about regular screening. Knowledge is power, and early action can prevent years of pain and hardship. Don't underestimate the value of partnership with your healthcare team either. If you're diagnosed with proteinuria or any form of kidney disease, don't go it alone. Work with your doctor to create a plan that fits your life. Medication if needed, smart changes to your diet, a physical activity routine you can stick to, and regular lab monitoring to track your progress. Remember, small steps add up. Every healthy meal, every walk, every moment you spend caring for yourself is an investment in your kidney sand in your future. As we wrap up, let's bring this message home. Protecting your kidneys starts with awareness, continues with daily choices, and is powered by simple, science-backed tools like vitamin D. The story isn't just about fighting off proteinuria, it's about reclaiming control over your health and refusing to let silent damage steal years from your life. If you remember one thing from this video, let it be this. You have more power over your kidney health than you think. Don't wait for symptoms. Take action now. Whether it's adding a little more sunlight to your day, enjoying vitamin D-rich foods, or asking your doctor about screening for protein in your urine. If you already have kidney issues, know that every smart change you make matters, and that hope is real. Share this video with someone you love because kidney disease is often invisible until it's too late. Like, comment, and let us know if you've ever been surprised by a hidden health problem or if you have questions about keeping your kidneys healthy. And remember, Sometimes, the simplest things like a daily dose of vitamin D can make the biggest difference. Your journey to stronger kidneys starts right now. Take that first step today.